Hop into the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the full-size pickup that's strong, quiet, and dependable with the latest technology to keep you connected while you get the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: V8 engine, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, stability control, auxiliary power outlet, wheel locks, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Everyone loves the strong, silent type. Make a date with a Silverado 1500.